You all are aware that democracy in India requires a lot of efforts to maintain its integrity, to maintain its relevance to the public at large. Till date, the democracy which we have been seeing in India has been more or less a mockery because the candidates who are given tickets by the political parties are people who are either very rich or who are having muscle power or who have lots of influence in the corridors of power. So as a result, the real people who represent the common people, they do not get any ticket, they do not get any importance. Good people, they are ignored and they can never think of becoming MPs or MLAs. The Bharatiya Swaraj Manch, keeping this in mind, especially that the common people must select their own candidates, has constituted a jury which is actually a people's jury. This jury is at the national level, is at the state level, and is being formed at the district level. Jharkhand is the first state in which this jury has been formed at the state level, and this jury is also in the process of finalizing the names of the district jurors who will form the jury. Now let me be very clear on this point that the jury is a people's jury. It is going to select candidates who have been chosen by the people, who have been liked by the people, and the candidates will be people's candidates. Now, you see, the process will be like this, that for the Lok Sabha, since we have paucity of time, we are lacking time, what we will do is, we will interview the sitting candidates first, and in that interview, there will be a select audience comprising of intellectuals, students, people from all walks of life, women, and many other people who are interested in interviewing the candidate. And their questions will have to be answered by the sitting candidate. And we will also invite those candidates who have been given tickets by the political parties. They will be asked to confront the audience, and the audience, after asking questions, will indicate which are the worthy candidates. After we assess the mood of the public, then assessing the worthiness, the merit of the candidates. The candidates must be integrity-wise of high order. They must have good character. They must be intellectual. They must be at least graduates. And of course, in certain cases, they may be less than graduates. But we insist that they should be educated. They should know what they are going to do. They should know the area from which they are coming. They should know about all the problems which they will be facing if they are elected, etc. So they must be socially conscious and especially have a knack of looking after the good of the people. So when after we interview, then the jury will finalize a list of all those candidates who are worth giving a ticket. After that, the list will be handed over to the Bharatiya Swaraj Manch, which will then send the list of the Lok Sabha candidates to the national jury, which after clearing it, that list will again be given by the Swaraj Manch to the political parties for considering for giving tickets to those candidates. If the political parties do not agree to the people's candidates chosen by the people's juries, then in that case, the people's jury will mount pressure, and it may also take recourse to canvassing even for those candidates who have been selected by the people themselves. So that will be of course the last resort, but we intend giving a message to the political parties as well as to the people that the experiment which we are doing is a serious one, and it is in the complete interest of saving democracy as it should be. So in that case, for the Lok Sabha, since we have lack of time, we will be adopting this shortcut method. But for the Vidhan Sabha, we will be inviting applications from the public also if they want to be considered as candidates. The public may give their own names. They can give the names of their own well-known persons, whoever they think is a good candidate, and they may send it to the email address of the Bharatiya Swaraj Manch. And after shortlisting them, you see, the Bharatiya Swaraj Manch will give the list to the jury, and the jury will invite information about them from various sources. There may be telephone calls, there may be a format, inviting information from the candidates themselves, and there will be also an interaction with the public. The candidates will be invited to come and interact with the public, and at the public, it will be a selected, an invited audience in which intellectuals will be there from all walks of life, and they will put questions to the candidates, and the candidates will have to answer them. So in this way, even for the Vidhan Sabha, we will try to ensure that right from the block level to the district and the state level, these candidates who are actually people's candidates selected by the people's jury are really acceptable people, and if they require our help, we will definitely help them. Thank you.